Kuha ba? Kuha! Sige!
Cover!
Jonas! Magsuot ka! Jonas! Suwap ka mo, hindi ka mapasahan, no?
Penga ko wristband. Isa. Can you put it on me? Kasi nag-video ako eh.
Dapat mo.
Gray po, gray.
Hey!
I'm not a
Gab!
player. Baka pagkamalan akong player.
Gab! Support Gab! Alien!
Other way. Other way. Oh, yun muna. Ayan.
Pass!
Ay, no, not that one first. It's muna. Yung nasa ilalim. Nasa ibabaw mo pa. Yung nasa right hand mo. Nasa right hand.
Marunong yan, nakakross yan.
Mali.
Jonas, pagkuha mo, di ka masasabi, hindi mo ikot early sa kanya. Jonas.
Yan, thank you so much.
Hey! Tara, bigay!
Asana!
Ah!
Cover!
Go! Sayang.
Sayang!
Tara, Gab, kaliwa na yun, kaliwete ka na eh. Control lang. Hector, ayun. Show! Side lang, side! Hey, recover!
Ay, sucks.
Gabriel! Tara ba? Sobrang relax eh.
Max goal.
Yazel, sure ba? Lagi sure. Go! Sam, huwag matakot, Sam! Sam, lamang ka dyan, Sam!
Laki daw eh. Sure.
Beside the last one, Luka! Beside the last one! Kailangan na talaga mag-training niya.
Hindi nagka-training.
Prince, huwag magstay sa wing lang! Yan na, sa'yo na, Jonas! Now! Sam!
Nice.
Boss, kala ko may offside.
May offside ba? Go eh.
Gian, galaw ba? Gian, tara! Hey, mag-wall! Jonas! Winger, ha? Tara.
ko na baka malagmat. Ayan o, yan. Kape ko yan. Lagay mo dyan sa tabi ng tumbler mo. Oh my God! Suckers!
Ano ba yan? Lagi lang, kasi tayo nakatayo, Gian.
Ako na lang dito.
Wala man lang tayong ano, activation.
Paano si Mateo yun? Hindi ba si Mateo yung keeper nila?
Ano yan, Sen? Hey, Hector! Press ba? Press! Gab! Pasa, Gab! Now, Hector! Press ba?
Go, Prince! Nice!
Good! Let's go! Haba pa!
Kaya pa!
Hector, sabay ba? Pag nag-press isa, mag-press ka din ba? Press! Sam, press!
Uy, naku!
Ayan!
Sayang.
Kinakabahan ka po yan.
Next game for the under 6 in field number 1. It's between Nemesis FA versus Nemesis FA Black. In field number 2, Nemesis FA Pink versus Kisila FA. In field under 8, in field number 3, Nemesis FA Black versus Manila Academy East. In field number 4, Puyat FC versus Nemesis FA.
Taas. Nice. Ito na lang.
We have in field number 5,
Nice.
Nemesis FA versus Quezon FA. And field number 6, Puyat FC versus Fortis FC. And for the under 12, in field number 7, Nemesis FA Black versus Rises FC. Field number 8,
Go, Sam!
FA versus
Hello,
Nemesis
Sam!
FA Pink. Please prepare.
Huwag pasipain!
Go, Sky!
Tinitignan, boys! Tinitignan! Hey, Hector, huwag lang galaw ng galaw. Hector, ito yung side mo. Kanila, Hector, kanila.
Nice.
Hey, Gian!
Nakakatakot yun.
Sam! Hey, recover! Hector, oh! Tayo, Chok. Chok.
We would like to formally acknowledge and extend our heartfelt gratitude to the generous sponsors who made the Golazo Football League 2026 Season 1 possible. This event would not have been successful
Ay,
without
shockers.
the partnership and continued support for youth sports development.
Uy, Hector!
Hector! Sabay ba?
Naka.
Lagi ka nakatulala.
Pinanood.
Studio 300,
Ilang minutes yan?
Hector! Nakita mo, paabante natin. Tinitingnan mo
Golazo
lang.
Sports Golazo Philippines. Thank you so much.
Bye!
Ilang minutes, Kev?
Sam, winger ka. Angat ka muna.
Striker?
Oo. Parang kinakabahan ka eh. Wala ka sa ano mo laro. Hector, sa loob!
Nice! Ilang minutes? 12 minutes lang? Ah, okay.
Simon! Simon! Ayos na. Boy. Ready. Aki, dito. Chok, ready. Boys, boys, ready. Okay, Jonas, step up. Okay. Take over! Again, magpasipain!
Ay,
Hey,
shucks.
boy, boy. Bilisan, bilisan ba? Bilisan mag-decide.
Go, Prince! Go, Gap! Ay, shucks.
Gab! Malaso na yung pala, no?
Okay ka na? Nice! Ito na lang, Bor.
Pwestuhan mo lang yun eh. Tapik, tapik ba? Gab, Gab, iwas tayo sa ganun. Ay, pa eh. We will replace. Okay, we will replace. Ano, Hector, striker. Hey, drop! Hey, tara, get one, boys! Get one sa corner! Get one! Get one, Sam! Tara, Hector! Magpasipain!
Oh my God!
Now, sa'yo na, Hector!
Again, we are witnessing the game in
Hector, Hector!
field number 2, under 6. And for the under 8, it's in field number 3 and field number 4. For the under 10, it's in field number 5 and field number 6. For the under 12, it's in field number 7 and field number 8.
Ay, shucks, sayang.
Sam, diskarte, Sam!
5 minutes.
Guard, guard! Hey, right mid! Sam!
Ha?
Tayo, ha? Kajak, kali, ha?
Siya kasama mo?
Gawa, kali! Angat!
Oh my God, Sam!
Kali, now! Good!
Yeah!
Go, kali, go, kali!
Yeah!
Good.
Yeah!
Go, 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 go!
Chase, oh, Chase! Chase, huwag ka matakot, Chase! Heavyweight ka niyan, Chase!
Sam, palit mo na, Sam. Press, ha? Ayusin na.
Itas mo, Sam.
At may dalawang sobra.
Huwag pasipain, boys! Huwag pasipain! Huwag pasipain!
Rar! Pusod, dali! Uy, ganda nun ah.
Go, Chok!
Naku, Chok! Makakakross pa, Chok eh!
Punta ko nun ah. Chok, get mo yan!
Now, Chok! Abante, Chok! Now,
Chok,
Chok!
sige tayo yan!
Pasa, pasa, Chok!
Go, Chok! Ay, shucks.
Hector!
Sumagot naman siya.
Prince, take it! Prince! 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 Lofted, ha? Lofted.
Go, Prince! Ay! Shucks! Sayang.
Header!
Ayan. Ilang minutes ba yan?
Go! Ay, shucks.
Aiden! Aiden! Depensa! 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 Chok!
Chok, down ka lang! Down ka lang!
Bakit doon, Gab? Sana ginawa mo na.
Madali, wala nang time!
2 minutes.
Wala na. Chok, ito! Defensa mo to, Chok! Kayo na, Chok!
Go, Prince!
Offside! 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 Hey! Okay! Offside! Offside!
Chok, get mo yan, Chok! Nice one.
Nice, Chok. Habang Sky!
Nice one.
Drop, drop, boys!
Nice one, Jace!
chase.
Partida, masakit pa katawan yan.
Magpasipain, boys! Magpasipain! Tara, Jose! Tara, diretso, Jose! Huwag sipa na sipa, Jose!
Go, Sky! Habang!